Mastering English, understanding on standby. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. On standby. Whether you're at an airport, watching a movie, or reading an instruction manual, this phrase is widely used. So, let's uncover what it really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversation. On standby refers to a state of readiness, where someone or something is fully prepared to act but is waiting for a signal or the right moment to do so. Imagine a firefighter waiting for an alarm to ring or a TV that's not displaying a picture but is ready to be turned on. That's being on standby. It's like being in a waiting mode, but with the potential to spring into action immediately. Now, let's see how on standby works in various sentences. In emergencies, the rescue teams are on standby in case the weather worsens. At work, our support staff is on standby 24/7 to help with any issues that arise. In technology, your computer goes on standby when not used for a while to save energy. By seeing it in different contexts, you can start to get a feel for how versatile this phrase can be. Airports. Passengers on a standby list are waiting for available seats on a plane. Hospitals. Doctors may be on standby for urgent surgeries or emergencies. Live performances. Understudies are on standby in case a lead actor cannot perform. It's also worth noting that you might sometimes hear in standby instead of on standby. The meaning is very similar, but in standby often relates to machines or systems, while on standby is more commonly used for people and services. So, there you have it. Whether you're waiting for your turn, ready to help, or simply pausing an electronic device, you now understand what it means to be on standby. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary toolkit. Stay curious, and see you in the next lesson.